Last but not least is the lead sources from real estate school. We have so many people getting into the industry every year, and yet what is your specific strategy to capitalize on that? Now, in the past, you may have gotten real estate licensing lists and you wrote letters and prospected and marketed to them to create appointments. Well, in many states, you're going to continue to do that, but most states you'll have KSCORE and KWPrep. So there's a plethora of ways that you can win here. I could go on and on and on, but do you have yours dialed in? Are you seeing what others are doing? Are you continuing to evolve this? And do you have a registration goal every month? Is your goal to register 100 people to real estate school every month? And how are you using KWPrep not only to market externally, but market internally to your agents to set them up for success and career events? With this being the year of the Great Resignation, why don't you go after great salespeople that maybe are looking for a change of industry, or great service providers and hospitality folks that really had a real harsh time during COVID that are over it? They want to try something new. They make such great realtors, as well as teachers and nurses. And there's so many industries, you guys, under such flux right now. Go find your talent. So where do you have job postings? What universities are you posting free real estate school? How are you really using this to hit that home run so you can register 100 a month? Because that's totally possible. So make sure you're capitalizing on all these lead sources. And there's many, many, many more ideas. If you just talk to a couple other experienced team leader friends, we've all tried so many different things, and yet I could give you 30 more lead sources. So there's never, ever a lack of lead opportunities. It's really being focused on the activities for these lead sources. So what are your focused activities to maximize your leads? We're here for you as coaches. So if you need help, reach out, because we want to help you hit your goals in 2022.